Welcome to some Christmas in July projects I'm working on. Right here is what I call a woodland tree. It has the more muted colors, beige, green, and red. So it's kind of a country theme. And then I have the gnome on top and the little beige beads. And then I also have the gingham and garland with the rusty bells. And then the other one is their typical Christmas tree colors with two types of variegated yarn. And then I have little bells on there. And I don't think I'll be using those again because they were quite expensive. But then I've got the gnome again on top, so I think those are really cute. Those I got from Factory Direct Crafts. And again, the yarn for this is sugar and cream for the woodland theme. And then there's like 15 layers of these corded bracelets that I put on. So watch my other video if you want to know how to make those. It can be made into bracelets and then stacked on this cone, paper mache cone, for the Christmas tree. So I got these huge bells. I don't know what to do with them. They're from Oriental Trading. So I don't know. Do you think they're too big for this tree? I'll have to try one and see. So what happened is they had a sale, of course. If you buy, I think it was $39, you get free shipping. So anytime there's a sale, I'm right there. And the Factory Direct package came today. And they have their semi-annual sale, 20% off and free shipping. So what I got some star tops for the tops of these trees. So I can use something besides the gnomes. I thought with the gold, the big gold bells and the gold star, I'll have to try that. But what I really am excited about is these little angels. Look at this. And they were only $1.59. And they're like made of clay, you know, that clay, polymer clay. So I'm happy with that. I don't know what else I got in here. I don't think that's it. Oh, I got this little garland. Look at that. That's perfect for a miniature tree. So the next tree, the theme will be gold. And they always send you a little free gift, so that was neat because I got 20% off plus I got free shipping. Ah, I love it. So yesterday, Joann has this great sale going on where if you order online you get, well, a lot of things are 50% to 70% off. But if you do the order online and pick it up, you get an additional 25% off. So I was looking for more charms for my bracelets. These were half price, $2.50 for these little hearts. Let me get my bag here. Okay, now this is all from Joann. This is patriotic things that were 70% off. This was $2.99 and it's 2 yards of these star trim or garland when I make the patriotic trees. Oh, all their patriotic items were 70% off. And then I got these beads, which can be made into a necklace, but I'm going to use it for garland, or else just put it on, sew it on the tips of the stacks of red, white, and blue cotton yarn. So I don't even know what I paid for this, but it was this huge bag of beads in gold and silver, so that would be great for the Christmas trees. But I know the whole order was only $30, so I was very happy. That's all I got in there. Oh, I had, these purple beads. Look how cute these colors are. They're like blue and purple or magenta. Those were $2.50. And I think I got some owls. Here they are. Oh, aren't they cute? That was the last of those at my Joann's, but if you order them online, you'll probably find more. But then you have to have them shipped. If you order online, pick it up at your store, there's no shipping charge. So that's what I'm doing today. Let me take you over here. I'll show you the bracelets I'm working on with those little magenta and purple beads. Look at this. Aren't they cute? I think I have 3 on here. Bracelets. And I did these. And I put the beige beads on. How cute for little girls. And then I've got this yarn that I had left over. I'm putting the beige beads on again. So that's what I'm working on right now. That'll take me a while. I also have to finish my trees. So here I've got a whole bunch of these that are ready to go. I like this yarn. It's got that sparkle in it, that metallic thread. I don't know. I've been looking around. Nobody has Christmas yarn yet. I got that sparkle yarn at a place called Hirschner's. You can find that online, HERRSCHNERS.com. It's in Wisconsin, so I take a road trip to visit them quite often. Alright, that's what I'm doing today. Today is Thursday already, so I'll have another video coming soon. Have a great weekend. Bye for now.